Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mukesh's Tech Space. In the second episode of our WordPress Tips series, I'm going to show you a feature that you would think that would be by default included within WordPress installations, but it's not included, and we have to add a little plugin to enable this feature. The feature that I'm talking about is ability to update or edit media items. So if you've ever uploaded photos, videos, PDFs, documents, anything into your media folder and you want to go in and update that file, you have no way in the default WordPress feature set. So I found a little plugin. Many of you may already know this tip and some of you may not, but I felt like I shared this one as it's probably something everyone will need at some point that has a WordPress website. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so let's go ahead and proceed with adding this necessary feature, but for some reason neglected within the WordPress world, is the ability to update and replace media items. So if you go, without installing anything, if you do visit your media library, you'll see that you have images. I have a sample one like this. You have no way of replacing the image. You can edit the image, which will take you to the edit screen for updating the title, maybe some alt text, captions, and descriptions. And you can also edit the image, perform some basic image manipulation techniques. But otherwise, there is no way to replace this image. So to do that, we'll need to go to the Plugins section, click on Add New, search for Media Replace. And the first plugin that you'll see here, that's the one we want. Click on Install and then Activate. And then let's go back to our media library, and then you'll see if this is not your view, a lot of times the default view is this view. If it is, then you'll want to go to the list view and you'll see this. Now if you hover over, now you'll see a new link called Replace Media. You can click on that, or if you now go click into the media item, you'll see that you have another new functionality here called Upload a New Media File. So if I click on Upload New Media File, choose the file. So I choose another file that's on our desktop. So this was my previous one. This is the new media file that I want. Then scroll down here and you have a couple of options. So first option is just replace the file. Don't do anything with it, just go replace it. Or you can select this option is replace the file, use a new file name, and update all the links everywhere. So in this case, if you didn't want to keep the previous file name for whatever reason, you can go with this option and it will update all the links as well to match the new file name. You could just replace the file, which, more than likely, if you want to keep the same file name, this should be the default option for most of us. Date options, you can also replace the date. You can keep the original date, or you can set a custom date. So again, we'll keep that as default. Hit upload, and in a couple of seconds, it should have the file successfully replaced. So if you go back to your media library again, you'll see that the file is the one that we updated it with. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave any comments that you would like to share down below. Thanks for watching.